So hello everyone, in this video we will see that what are Git submodules and we will see how we can add them into our repository. Okay, so what are submodules? Let's know it first. So basically Git submodule is a feature that allows you to include one Git repository within another. Suppose you have one Git repository and you want to just insert your another Git repository into that. Okay, so what you will do, you will just uh, break down that bigger code into more manageable pieces. And suppose if you want to share code between those projects or whatever projects you are working on, if you want to share codes, you can use a Git submodule. Basically many of the people think that it is a very complex stuff to do, but that is not actually true. It is very easy to use. It is actually very helpful for your project if you are working on a project. And once the submodule is added, you can make changes to the code in the submodule and commit those changes to your main project's repository as well. Okay, so that is what you can do using submodule, right? So let's see how we can work on that. So for that, suppose this is my Git account and here I have two repositories. First is Git in one video, second is Git in second video. Okay, so I'll go into Git in one video and I'll check what are the things I am having. So I am having these all files here. Okay, I have three branches here. Now next is I have Git in second video repository, and let's look into that. Okay, we are having Git in second vid. This is my repository and this is my link for the repository. Okay, so what I have to do, suppose I have opened this VS Code here and another one is also opened here, right? So a file named contact.html is in my Git in part 2. This is my second repository and this is my first repository. And as I have already added, so here you can see that this Git in part 2, or you can see Git in second repository, is here in my, just wait, okay, this contact.html, this thing, this file is here in my first repository. Okay, contact.html. Okay, so this is what submodule is. Okay, this is my first repository and I have just added this second repository into this one, right? So how you can do that, I have done it. I'll just explain it to you how you can do it and how it is very helpful for you. So this is my first repository. Just open the terminals of both the repositories if you want. So I'll go with the first repository and I have to add my second repository in first repository as submodule. So that is done through git submodule. This is my terminal and this is my basic command through which I'll be working. Okay, and I'll just show you my folder here. It is git in one part and here I have already added via submodule code. Okay, via submodule feature which is available in Git, uh, and this is how I'll use it. So I'll show you how I did this. Okay, so git module, you have to open your terminal and then you have to write git submodule, right? And git submodule add, this is your command, this should be your command, and then you will have to paste this second repository's link which you will find here if you open the second video. Okay, and this link you have to https this link, you have to just copy URL to clipboard and then you will have to paste it here, right? And when you will just paste it here, you will get, it will be cloned here and then you will find that your second repository is just added here, correct? So this is how you can do this. Next is, if you are checking, like if you are checking for the tree, so no subfolder exists here because I haven't made, but yeah, actually basically this is the correct code which is just TRW. And if you will enable it, get in second video, this is my submodule which is added here in the tree. Okay, and this is working as a branch. This second repository which was I was having, and this is in this first repository now, and this is working as a branch here, right? So this is how you can work with it. You can add, you can commit whatever things, like if you check logs, and if you will do anything into this like if you move to the cd, if you are using cd command, and if you are moving into this one, then let me show you something else. Okay, here are my commands. Suppose if I have, how I did this, I just used git init command, and then I worked on it. I just used ls minus lat, and here it is my directory. How I made this directory, I wanted to show you. So this is the directory, git status on branch master code dot I used to open the VS code, and this is basically overview that how I made uh, the repository, and that's all I wanted to show you. So I hope this is how you can add, and whenever you will just work with this submodule, whatever you will change there in that repository or in this branch only, that will be changed to that repository, and this is how you can work. So I hope this was clear to you, and let's meet in our next video. Till then, thank you.